What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to monetize Instagram Reels. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Instagram application on your phone. Then once you open it, you will have to go to your profile. So click on the bottom right corner right here. Now you will have to go on the top right corner and click on these three lines. And now what you should do is to simply scroll down till you find creator tools and controls. Then scroll down till you find switch account type. So I'm going to click on it. Then now click on switch to business account. It is a very essential step in order to monetize your account. So I'm going to click on switch. Then here, as you can see, it shows me that my account has been switched to business account. So what you should do right now is simply go to business tools and controls, then go to monetization status. And here, as you can see, you will find out that I'm able to monetize, as you can see. Now, when I go back and click on add payments, you will be able to add your payment methods and you will be able to see all of your earnings from Instagram Reels. And the more views you get on your Instagram Reels, the more payment you get. But here in my case, for sorry, when I go into payment methods, I get this message because this feature actually is not totally available in my region, but it will work in other regions like Europe and United States. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.